Hello, everybody. It's Larry, and welcome to a 2 at 2. And we're going to talk about something very quickly that I get asked often, and that is how can I be more of a match to somebody than my parent? All right, so here's my mother's kit, and we're going to review her DNA matches. You can really only find this information out at MyHeritage because Ancestry and the others don't do a three-way triangulation. MyHeritage, quick comment out of my 2 minutes here is why do I have to scroll 3/4 of the way down the page to get to the information I want? The DNA match list should be at the top. Anyway, so we come here and we've got the DNA matches, and you notice here 398, 230, a strong line. 265, 170, a strong line. 283, 140, almost spot on. 4%, 2%, right here. 3.9, 1.7, again, really strong line. Come over here, 2.3, 1.9, extremely strong line. 1.3, 0.9, strong line. Now look at this one, 0.9, 1.2, 64 centimorgans, 85 centimorgans. How can I match this person through my mother higher than my mother even matches to him? Well, I can't, not through my mother. So this means that I also match this person through my father. All right? So the answer to that question for everybody that has this situation where you have a higher centimorgan connection to a person than a singular parent does means that they also match you on the other side. Now, how much? I don't know because I wasn't fortunate enough to have my father's DNA in here, so I can't do that. And I don't have his sister's DNAs here either. But if I had, I'd be able to find this person and just look and see how much they connected on each side. If not, I do have some clues. Right here, remember, I had some stronger matches, I had some weaker matches, I had some spot on. All right? I can use the chromosome browser right here and see how she is connected with these people and find out, is she connected to the weak line, the strong line, or the spot on line? Because my mom has four grandparents. It could be any one of those lines. And so she could, be on the strong, weak, the average, and the one that I haven't yet determined. But I can see right here, if she matches a known strong, then she's 64, I would probably be 40 if I was on a strong line. If she was on the weak line and she's 64, I'd probably be 20, 25 through my mom's. And if she was on the even line, I'd probably be around the 32. Now, what that means is, if I was 32 through my mom, that means that 53 of this is through my father. Well, that 53 centimorgans now gives me some really great clues, because if you remember the folded ball and pattern, going up a generation, 3417, second generation up, 85425, third generation up, 212106, and the next one being the 53 and the 26. So I can tell now that it's going to be up at that generation where I'm going to intersect this person on my father's side. So now all I have to do is get those great grandparents' surnames and start comparing here to find that over. Again, this is where the MyHeritage Tools really come in powerful, because now I can look at those surnames, find somebody in my match list that's on those, and again go to the chromosome browser and identify specifically and accurately and quickly which one of those lines that she connects to. See, the tools here, they're simple tools. The chromosome browser, do you match them on these chromosomes? And this three-way CMS triangulation, these two things, albeit they small tools, are so powerful in breaking down walls. You need to take advantage of this. Download your raw data from Ancestry or 23andMe or FTDNA. It doesn't cost a penny to download it. It's yours. Every one of those sites provides the download capability. Then you can upload it for free and get your match list. Now, if you want to, in the match list, it's going to give you to that person. You want to see the triangulation, it'll give you, I think, the top 1 or 2 people for free. But if you want to get the full thing, you need to unlock it. Now, the unlock costs $29. And for those of you who don't know already, by using the promo code that they gave for us for this channel, use Upload Larry, you can get 50% off of that from now up until Christmas of 2020. So that code's only good to Christmas of 2020. But if you do Upload Larry, when you upload it, you will actually be able to get that for only $15. I mean, we spend more than that, just driving to the courthouse and some local county and having a meal out to search for something. So, this is some powerful tools, and they're very easy to use. Very, very easy. Look at this. I mean, there's my mother. There's my mother's match to this person, and there's me, and there's my match to this person, and it's right there across. The three-way triangulation is not going to be confusing. It's going to help you. It's going to help you because it's going to give you, like on the person down in here, it's going to identify crossover lines that maybe you didn't know about before. See, if I was on Ancestry and I clicked here and this is my mother, this column right here is all I'd get. I'd get 276 on the shared match here, 160 on the shared match here. Or actually, no, I wouldn't get mom's. I'd only get my column. So I'd get me, my mother, 118, 130, 64, 85. And so I'd be going, oh, wow, I matched this person at 85. I must match them, at a grandparent or great-grandparent level. When the truth is, I probably matched this person in my mom's line at 20 centimorgans, and I'm in the wrong area code by a full generation, maybe two. But looking at the MyHeritage, just seeing that same person here. So I encourage you, and I encourage you to encourage everybody that you know to download your raw DNA data, upload it into MyHeritage, take advantage of the promo between now and Christmas, and take advantage of this triangulation. It can help you where you're beating your head on a brick wall because you've got somebody that say, maybe they're showing up to you at a 114 centimorgan, and you're trying to, because they matched on your mother's side and they're 114, but you can't make that match. Maybe it's a dual match. Maybe this is the +1, but the +1's on the other side of the family. Okay, now you know why I did the +1 video, and I want to change that now to dual or triple or quad, because this is where this comes into play. And then taking advantage of the chromosome browser to say, okay, I know these people are in my tree. I can chromosome browse, match, and triangulate them to that person. I know they're on that surname line. All I got to do is investigate where they connect in. Same thing when I want to find out how they fit in on my father's line. Chromosome browser this person to the people on my known father's side tree lines. And again, I can break down walls and find new information about my family. And all it takes is downloading the raw DNA data, uploading it to MyHeritage, paying the $15 unlock fee using our special promo code, even the $29, folks. Download it. I did. I paid full price. I didn't get the advantage of the discount code. I paid $29 for this access, lifetime access, and it was worth every penny at $29. So you can get it right now for $15. You absolutely want to take advantage of that. This isn't a sales pitch. I don't get paid. I get nothing, zero, nada, nothing for this. This is just the honest facts. This will break down walls. This will give you insights you never had on your tree. If I was looking, like I said, if I was looking my mother's match and this was 114, oh my goodness, I'd be looking up, my grandparents or great-grandparents when I might be needing to look at my second or third great-grandparents, which instead of 4 or 8 people is 16 or 32 different surname lines way on back on the connection. I never, ever would do that. I would be beating my head on this wall for years if I was only looking at the Ancestry or other DNA match list. So get that DNA, get it over to MyHeritage. You will be glad that you did. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Pass it around to your friends, folks. You want to make sure that they get to do this too. Remember, the promo code only lasts to Christmas of 2020. Lastly, I just want to remind everybody we have the giveaway, and it ends on midnight the 17th. And all you have to do for a chance, there is no purchase, it's just we're going to pick a random comment out of the month of November or any of the videos in December up until midnight on the 17th. We're going to take a random comment, and that person will be the winner. There are no limits to the number of comments, so you can comment on every video. Watch the 2 at 2s. They're nice little 2-minute videos, except for a couple of them. And comment on those videos. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like, what you'd like to see. Hey, this would be a good topic, or I'd like to know more about this. There's lots of reasons you can make the comments and say, hey, this would be good. What about? Ask me questions. Every question, that's a comment. And follow-up comments. Those are more comments. Every time you follow up on that, then that increases the likelihood. So if you make 10 comments, you make 50 comments, you make 100 comments, however many comments you make, because it's just going to be a random comment. The more comments you have in there, the more chances that is going to be picked to be you. So comment on the videos, any of them in the month of November or in December up into the 17th, and we're giving away with, MyHeritage is allowing us to give away, as a promotion for them, a free DNA kit that you could give away, give it away for Christmas or whatever, and or a subscription. You might win either one of those. I think with all the comments, it's rare, unlikely that somebody could win both. I guess technically it would be possible, but I don't foresee it happening. It could, because it's just going to be random. We're going to pick at random. So if we pick a random and it's one video and one comment and it's yours, and later the other one's yours too, maybe somebody will get lucky and get both. I don't know. But we're going to give away one full 1-year subscription. And that gives you the access to all their research, their digitized information for the tree. We haven't even talked about those stuff in here because that's not what this video is about. But the DNA tools, you get the DNA tools free when you get the DNA kit. So that's great too. Check it out. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, why not? If not, 2020 might keep going, and we don't want that. Everybody wants that not to happen, so do your part. Click subscribe. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and we will talk to you again soon.